boil this herb for 10 minutes and will kill your body fat in 20 days. If you have a bulging belly and you resent your appearance, you do not need to starve to lower it. Learn how to prepare a homemade reductive infusion and get a flat stomach. It is well known by many that reducing creams can become great allies to eliminate localized fat, which you cannot go down either with diet or exercise. In the market there are many brands that have effective products, but many of them are expensive or may cause you some adverse effects. To save money and make sure that the ingredients are not harmful to you, home reducing creams are the best option. Here is an easy and quick recipe to prepare. This herb lets you boil for 10 minutes. It is only used once a day, and in 20 days all the belly fat will be gone. Ingredients and materials: 1 cup with a mixture of dried chamomile, rosemary and lavender flowers. 1 sheet. 1 plastic shower curtain. Preparation and method of use: fill a small bucket with very hot water and then throw the herbs. Allow them to stand in the water for 5 minutes to give off their properties. In the meantime, put the shower curtain on the bed or on the sofa. Now you must wet the sheet and the infusion of herbs and twist it so that it is not dripping. You must wrap the area you want to lower in the sheet and lie on the bathroom curtain. It is wrapped with the shower curtain and remains so for 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. At 10 minutes remove the curtain and the sheet and dry yourself with a towel. This is an effective method to lower localized fat. With the heat and properties of these magnificent herbs you will see how you manage to reduce your belly.